Hello friends, today I hope to explain you no bootable devices startup error on your computer with black screen startup. Most people never thinks what happened into their computer. You can check your hardware solution by pressing F5 key. Now you can see a small blue screen with running test. You have to wait few seconds to complete system test system configuration. Now you can see a small color display. If it displayed, you can press Y button, Y letter. After completion of this, your system and your computer will start to get some assessment of your memory, reading of your memory. You have to wait few minutes. Under this, it will always detect your errors, system errors. Now you can see no problems have been found with this system so far message. It means your computer and your computer hardware is working properly. Then you can press additional test using 30 minutes. If you like to do this, you can press yes, because I don't want to continue this. Therefore, I always press N button to know. Now you can see pre-boot system assessment is complete. No diagnosis utility partition identified. Please select OK to reboot your system. Press O button. But you need to change some settings because your message will come again because your system setting testing was done previously. Now you can see particular previously seen error. No bootable devices found. Then press F2. Now I hope to change BIOS system settings. After pressing, you can see BIOS setup program. Under this setting program, don't press unwanted program. You can press general settings. If you can't identify general settings, most BIOS programs shows it on top of BIOS menu. You can select boot sequence by pressing on plus mark. Now you can see some boot sequence: diskette hard drive, internal hard drive, USB storage devices, CD, DVD on board. You can press and tick diskette drive, internal hard drive, USB storage, CD, DVD ROM. Onboard NIC not necessary. Press apply button after completion of this. Now you can press exit button. You have to wait few seconds because your Windows is starting to boot in or load in. Now you can see your computer is starting. Mostly this procedure is working to each laptop. Now you can see start in Windows menu. It is depending on your operating system. Sometimes it may be Windows 7, 10 or Ubuntu or any other version. Now you can see your operating system is loading. Don't worry, your computer is working. You can press and you can enter your operating system by getting some password. If this procedure was not work, you need to check your hard drive because sometimes your hard disk may be corrupted. I hope to give you another such details in another videos because hard drive corruption and error solution I hope to give under the next future videos. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get future updates. Thanks.